Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Hello, very good morning. Today we are here to discuss the question like what is acid rain? Okay, what is acid rain? So how many of you will speak about the acid rain? Please keep your video switch on, everybody. Everybody, keep your video switch on. Keep your video switch on. Smriti Komal, tell me what is acid rain? What is acid
Mixture
rain?
of acidic gases with water is called
Yes,
acid rain.
yes, very good. Sachi, unmute yourself. Sachi, unmute
Yes,
yourself.
sir.
Tell me what is acid rain?
Mixture of gases is सर रुकिए
बोलिए. Nandini, unmute yourself. Nandini,
Yes, sir. The
tell me.
acid rain damage crops and reduce the fertility of soil. It can also damage monument made of marble.
Very good. But you have not told me that what is acid rain. Acid rain क्या है ये तो नहीं
Sir,
बताया. Acid rain क्या है बताओ. पहले acid rain क्या है ये बताओ.
the mixture of gases.
It is mixture of gases. Mixture of gases, acidic mixture of gases with rainwater. It's called acid rain.
Yes.
Okay. So, okay, thank you. Anand Vishal, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Anand Vishal.
Yes, sir.
What is acid rain?
Mixture of gases with rainwater. Yes, sir. Mixture of acidic gas with water is called acid water.
Thank you. It is good. Okay, Anand Vishal. Okay, thank you. Dusty Raj, unmute yourself. Dusty Raj.
Mixture of acidic gases with rainwater is called acid rain.
Okay. Anything? How it is harmful? How it is harmful? Okay. Next, Piyush Kumar. Piyush Kumar.
Mixture of acidic rain is called acid rain.
How is harmful?
Acid rain causes damage growth of soil.
Sure. Okay. Anything else which you want to add?
Mixture of acid gases with rainwater is called acid gas.
Can you tell me what is the harmful effect of acid rain?
Acid rain damage the crops and reduce fertilizer of soil. It can also damage mountains made of marbles.
Okay, thank you. Abhinav Kumar. Abhinav Kumar. Abhinav Kumar. How acid rain is harmful? Unmute yourself first. Abhinav Kumar. Abhinav, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
How acid rain is harmful?
Acid rain damages the fertility of soil. It can also damage monuments made of marble.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So next, we have Ritika. Unmute yourself. Ritika. Ritika, unmute yourself. Okay. Ritika, unmute yourself. Okay. Trisha Ranjan, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me about the acid rain, Ritika?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Gas like oxide of nitrogen and sulfur present in automobile exhaust mixed with rainwater is called acid rain.
Yes, good answer. Trisha Ranjan.
Yes, the mixture of harmful gases like oxide of nitrogen and sulfur with rainwater form acid rain. The acid rain damages crops and reduce fertility of soil. It also damages the moments made of marbles.
So let's now come to the conclusion that what is acid rain. Let's see. So what is acid rain? So we will write here also the definition of the acid rain. As you can see here. So tell me what is acid rain? Acid rain. It is acid rain. It is mixture of gases of mixture of acidic gases of sulfur and nitrogen, mixture of acidic gases of sulfur and nitrogen with the rainwater. This is called acid rain. This is called acid rain. Now, what are the harmful effect of acid rain? Harmful effect of acid rain. First, it can cause irritation of skin. It can cause skin disease. It can cause skin disease. It can cause irritation of skin. It can damage crops. Fourth, it can damage the historical monuments. It can damage the historical monuments. Okay. So these are the harmful effect of the acid rain. Okay, it can damage the crop. Okay, mute yourself. Right. So I hope all of you have understood. Now, can you tell me? Now, I am going to ask one question. You listen me very carefully. And you will raise your hand. Okay. Which monument is being affected by the acid rain the most? Name the World Heritage Monument present in India which is highly affected by the acid rain. Name the World Heritage Monument which is highly affected by the acid rain. Sanya Singh, unmute yourself, start your video. Sanya Singh.
Sir, Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal. How Taj Mahal is?
Yes, sir.
Tell me how Taj Mahal is being affected?
सर क्योंकि उसका जो मार्बल है व्हाइट कलर वाला वो धीरे धीरे येलो होते जा रहा है
येलो होता जा रहा है।
एसिड रेन की वजह से।
अच्छा ऐसा है। अच्छा चलो।
यस सर।
तो क्या व्यवस्था किया जा सकता है? ताजमहल तो आगरा में है ना? ताजमहल इज इन आगरा। ओके। Can you tell me, Sachi, unmute yourself. Sachi,
Yes,
unmute
sir.
yourself. Can you tell me
Yes, sir.
which monuments?
Sir,
Taj Mahal.
Have you visited Taj Mahal?
No, sir.
No, you have not visited Taj Mahal. How you came to know?
सर क्योंकि उसका कलर येलो होते जा रहा है सर मतलब कि
Who told you that it is
मतलब
turning yellow? कौन बोला? How you came to know? Sanya Singh. अच्छा.
Yes, sir.
How you came to know?
सर आप क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर सकते हैं
Name the historical world monument which is being damaged by the acid rain. Anybody else? Smriti Komal. Smriti Komal.
यस सर
Tell me
ताजमहल
how you can say that it is Taj Mahal. Why it is Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal is made up of. Taj Mahal is made up of
मार्बल
marble.
मार्बल मार्बल
Okay. It is already said that Taj Mahal is made up of marble, and acid rain causes damage to the marble. Okay. So one question you write down. You will do it. Okay. You will do it, and you will submit it. Which historical monument is being damaged by the acid rain? Which historical monument present in India is being damaged by the acid rain? Okay, this is the question you will do. Okay. Now, next
सर आप
question.
ये स्नैप होमवर्क दे दीजिएगा
अच्छा दे देंगे. चलो पहले इसको तुम लोग लिख भी लो अपने कॉपी में. Why should we feel worried about the global warming? Next question we need to discuss. That is, why do we need to worried about the global warming? Global warming के बारे में worried होने की जरूरत क्यों है? Why should we feel worried about the global warming? So you tell me, first of all, you will tell me what is global warming. Define what is global warming.
सर
Wait 1 minute.
सर मैं बोलूं
चिल्लाना नहीं है. You simply raise your hand. Simply you raise your hand. Simply you raise your hand. About the global warming, if you are. What is global warming? And why we need to concern about the global warming? Okay. Sachi, tell me what is global warming?
additional extra increase in average temperature of earth is called global warming
Additional.
extra increase in the average temperature of earth is called global warming
Very good. Next, Swati. Swati, unmute yourself. Bhai, keep your video switch on. Everybody, I'm saying again and again. Srishti Raj. Tell me, Srishti Raj. Increase in the temperature of the.
Additional extra increase in the average temperature of earth.
Okay. Nandini.
We should be worried about global warming because
No. Wait. My question is, what is global warming? What is global warming?
additional extra increase in the average temperature of earth.
Additional extra increase in the temperature of the earth.
In the average temperature of the earth.
Okay. This is additional increase in the temperature of the earth. Okay. This is called global warming. Global warming, it is a long-term heating of earth climate system observed since. Okay. So global warming is a long-term heating of earth climate system. Okay, it is a long-term heating. Okay, so let's pen it down. Let's pen it down. Mute yourself. Anybody else? Swati, Abhinav. Nandini, Nandini, Piyush Kumar, unmute yourself. Piyush Kumar,
Yes, sir.
tell me what.
Extra increase average temperature of Earth is called global warming.
Okay, so we should write it down. What is global warming? So we should write first what is global warming. Definition of global warming is global warming is global warming. It is the long-term heating of Earth climate system. Okay, this is one definition. Or दूसरा definition. What you said? तो तुम लोग बोल रहे हो क्या बोल रहे हो? It is extra heating of Earth. Earth is called okay. This is also called global warming. Okay, global warming is the okay.
सर आपने वहाँ पे ओ लिख दिया है
कहाँ?
सर वार्मिंग में
हाँ
सर वार्मिंग में सर आपने ओ लिख दिया है
अच्छा वार्मिंग ये वार्मिंग और वो वार्मिंग में क्या अंतर हो जाएगा ठीक है नाउ व्हाई वी नीड टू रीजन व्हाई वी नीड टू बी वरीड about global warming okay so the reason why we need to be worried about the global warming who will answer this question
मैं बोलूं
wait 1 minute let me see oh Trisha Ranjan unmute yourself
Yes, sir. Extra increase in average temperature of Earth or global warming. This can result in increase of melting of polar ice caps, which can cause widespread damage and destruction.
once again you tell me
The extra increase in average temperature of Earth is called global warming. This can result in increase in the melting of polar ice caps, which can cause widespread and damage and destruction.
okay next Nandini
Extra increase.
no you have already defined it you have already defined now why we need to be worried about the global warming
सर मेरा जो त्रिशा बोल थी सर मेरा भी वही आंसर था
अच्छा तो वो बोली वही तुम्हारा भी ओके थैंक यू नंदनी अभिनव why we need to be worried about the global warming
Because global warming increase the average temperature of the earth.
What
This
will
can
happen?
result in
Okay, very good.
this can result is an increase in the melting of polar ice.
Okay, this can
Melting
result
of
into the polar ice and increase
which
in the sea
cause
level.
wind the speed of damage.
Okay, okay. Chalo, next. Smriti Kamal.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
We should feel worried about global warming because this can result in an increase in the melting of polar ice caps, which can cause widely spread damage and destruction.
चलो और anybody सची सच्ची नहीं बोलेगी
Yes,
तो
sir.
कंप्लीट कहाँ होगा बोलो
Global warming can result in an extra increase in the melting of polar ice caps, which can cause widespread damage and destruction.
in the melting of polar ice. Polar ice, polar ice, which can lead to damage and destruction. Damage लिखेंगे या destruction लिखेंगे? क्या लिखेंगे बताओ?
दोनों.
Which can cause threat to the life on the earth. On earth. ठीक है? So this is the answer. I hope it is clear to you. So why this is the reason why we should be worried about the global warming. Okay. Suggest some way to reduce the pollution. This is very comfortable answer. I hope. And how planting of tree make in air clean. Okay. These are the two left that we will discuss. Suggest some of the way to reduce the pollution. So raise your hand, everybody. Everybody raise your hand. If you want to answer this question, raise your hand. बीच में कोई नहीं बोलेगा, कोई नहीं बीच में बोलेगा. देखो हम सबको जो हाथ उठाया हम सबको अनम्यूट कर दे रहे हैं और एक एक करके बोलेगा, बारी बारी से बोलेगा खुद से. ठीक है? अगर घर में आवाज हो रहा है तो मम्मी और डैडी को कहो कि थोड़ा नहीं बोलने के लिए. ठीक है? डिस्टर्ब होता है. तो चलो, now come to the our question. How can one by one. देखो जो बोल रहा होगा इधर उधर का unnecessary, I will remove him. चलो बोलो, कोई एक बोलो और अपने आप को फिर म्यूट कर देना. एक suggest one of the reason, one of the measure that how you will reduce the pollution.
Less use of vehicle.
चलो सची सबसे पहले सची बोलेगी. सची बोलो. हाँ बोलो.
Trees remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and reduce greenhouse gas effect.
Follow.
Avoid crackers.
Wait 1 minute. Follow. Yeah, limited use
Use
of
fans instead
limited use
of
of
air
vac
conditioners.
Carpool with our neighbors.
limited use of vehicles. Limited use of automobile to reduce the second. चलो सची, you mute yourself now. Okay. Smriti Komal.
With our neighbors.
Yes, sir.
One by one, I will give the chance to everybody. Smriti
Use
Komal.
fans instead of air conditioners.
Use eco-friendly products in your home.
Wait. Use fan instead of air conditioner.
ना बड़ा लग रहा है ना छोटा लग रहा है.
ठीक है. चलो स्मृति कोमल, you mute yourself. Okay. Now Nandini.
We should plant more tree.
We should
Avoid burning of
we should
leaves,
plant
trash,
more tree. Okay, Nandini, you mute yourself. Ayushi Kumari.
Sir, हम
Our neighbors.
Pardon once again.
We can carpool with our neighbors.
फिर से बोलो, आवाज नहीं आया. कोई एक डिस्टर्ब कर दी थी बीच में बोलकर.
We can organize carpool with our neighbors.
Okay. We should organize carpool. Okay. Chalo. Okay, Ayushi, mute yourself. Next, Swati. Swati.
reducing forest fires and smoking.
हाँ
Reduce
चलो म्यूट। आनंद विशाल।
of forest fires and smoking.
ओके।
Yes, sir.
reduce forest fire and smoking।
Yes, sir. Avoid burning of leaves, trash. रास्ते में कभी लगाते हो सर?
चलो बोलो आनंद विशाल।
हाँ, क्यों कभी लगा है? हम देखो पहले डिपो हम पढ़ गए।
नेहा कौन है जी? जरा सा
Sir,
सामने आओ तो
avoid
पहले।
burn
वेट वेट 1
of
मिनट, वेट 1
leaves.
मिनट, वेट 1 मिनट। नेहा चलो सामने आओ जरा पहले। स्टार्ट योर वीडियो नेहा, स्टार्ट योर वीडियो, स्टार्ट योर वीडियो नेहा। कौन हो? जरा सामने आओ पहले। इतना तुम हो नेहा जी? इतना तुम्हारे घर से डिस्टरबेंस क्यों हो रहा है? तो फिर म्यूट कर दिया करो when there is lot of disturbance from your house। देखो अभी भी बहुत ज्यादा डिस्टरबेंस हो रहा है, ठीक है? तो यू शुड म्यूट योरसेल्फ। नेक्स्ट, नेक्स्ट टेल मी। नेक्स्ट, reduce the forest and fire and smoking। next, anybody else? if you want to say anything you can say। anybody else? anybody else?
सर मैं
हाँ बोलो।
stop burning of plastics।
stop burning, mute yourself now। stop burning of plastics। okay, very good। now anybody else who is left? और कोई? रितिका बताओ।
Sir, avoid uses of cracker.
अच्छा चलो, अब बहुत सारा लिस्ट बन गया, लंबा लिस्ट बन गया है, ठीक है? बस इस क्वेश्चन को इसी जगह पर यूज इको फ्रेंडली प्रोडक्ट लिख देते हैं सीधे, ठीक है? यूज इको फ्रेंडली प्रोडक्ट्स। ओके चलो, यहाँ पर सची तुम बोल दो, परेशान है और उसकी दोस्त भी परेशान है। हाँ क्या?
मुझे नेक्स्ट सर मैं एक और पॉइंट बोलूं?
बोल दो।
सर रिसाइकल एंड रीयूज हो सकता है।
क्या होगा?
सर रिसाइकल एंड रीयूज हो सकता है।
क्वेश्चन में क्या है? एयर पॉल्यूशन है ना?
यस सर।
चलो एयर पॉल्यूशन है, और बताओ और क्या? और एनीथिंग एल्स?
सर मैं बोलूं?
बोलो।
become interested in local matters।
फिर से बोलो।
become interested in local matters।
इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? चलो सची तुम बोलो। तुम बोलो जल्दी सची, चलो बोलो बोलो जल्दी बोलो।
सर मुझे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना है।
तुम तो एडवांस में चल रही हो, अभी हम पढ़ा क्या रहे हैं?
constructing tall chimneys।
Next, I hope it is clear. The question is now clear. So suggest some of the way to reduce the air pollution।
सर
At 1 minute। Okay।
सर कहीं से वाइब्रेशन का आवाज आ रहा है।
Next question: how does planting of tree help in making air clean? How does planting of trees make
सर मैं बोलूं?
air
सर मैं बोलूं?
clean? How does planting tree make air clean? If you know, you can raise your hand। You can raise your hand। Simply you raise your hand। Piyush Raj, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
बोलो.
Yes, sir.
क्लास तुम कर रहा है जी?
Yes, sir. Sir, daily करते हैं क्लास.
नहीं है तुमको?
क्या सर?
चलो ठीक है. चलो
सर
बताओ.
डेली करने क्लास.
हाँ ठीक है, बताओ. हाउ कैन planting of tree reduce the air pollution?
Trees take carbon dioxide, making air clean and give out oxygen.
चलो ठीक है, म्यूट करो अपने आप को. सुजल, सौरभ.
Yes, sir.
चलो बताओ.
Yes.
How
Sir,
planting?
question.
How planting of trees will? How planting of trees will reduce the pollution?
Planting of trees reduce pollution. Taking carbon dioxide, give out oxygen.
Very good.
Tree planting.
Rehan Afjal, unmute yourself. Rehan Afjal, unmute yourself. रेहान अफजल, एकदम भगा देंगे यहाँ से. जहाँ कैमरा नहीं ऑन करोगे बोलने पर तो उसके वहां से भगा देंगे. रेहान अफजल, यहाँ से तुम जाओ. चलो यहाँ से घस को. नेक्स्ट अवकाश कुमार. अवकाश कुमार, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Yes, sir.
How planting more and more trees will reduce the air pollution? भाव्या किशोर, दुर्गेश. बोलो जी दुर्गेश. पेड़ लगाएंगे तो पॉल्यूशन रुकेगा कैसे? हाउ?
हेलो सर.
कैमरा ऑन करके बोलेगा.
ठीक है सर. सर मैं
बोलो.
सर मेरा बाल खराब है सर.
खराब है तो उससे क्या हुआ? बताओ कैसे एयर पॉल्यूशन रुकेगा? इतना बढ़िया बाल है
सर.
तुम तो एकदम.
सर भैया सोने से हो गया सर.
हाँ तुम तो कंपाला लग रहा है. चलो
ठीक नहीं हो रहा है सर बाल.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, ठीक हो जाएगा. पर्सनालिटी. अभी बताओ कि प्लांट को, अगर हम प्लांट लगाने से एयर पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल होगा? क्या सोचते हो तुम?
सर प्लांट जब फ्रूट बनाता है तो ऑक्सीजन देता है सर.
ऑक्सीजन देता है. वेरी गुड. और
यस सर.
ऑक्सीजन देगा तो पॉल्यूशन कमेगा.
यस सर.
कैसे?
यस सर.
कैसे?
सर जैसे कि सर उसका चाहे वो जैसे खाना बनाएगा तो उसका ऑक्सीजन देगा, तो सारा प्लांट बनाएगा सर तो उसका ऑक्सीजन मतलब कि नॉर्मल हवा से इंक्रीज हो जाएगा.
अच्छा ऑक्सीजन बना. प्लांट अगर खाना बनाएगा तो ऑक्सीजन देगा और लेगा क्या?
यस सर.
देगा क्या?
सर वे रोटी बनाता है.
वो लेगा क्या, हमको ये पहले बताओ कि वो लेगा क्या।
सर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड।
कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ले रहा है और ऑक्सीजन दे रहा है, तो बहुत अच्छा बात है।
यस सर।
इससे एनवायरनमेंट क्लीन होगा, इससे एनवायरनमेंट क्लीन होगा। चलो थैंक यू।
क्लीन होगा।
ठीक है, चलो सची तुम भी बता दो, बहुत देर से हाथ खड़ा कर रही है।
सर
बोल दो।
trees remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and reduce the greenhouse gas effect.
ओके ओके, चलो तुम भी बोल दो स्मृति कोमल।
Planting of trees helps in making air cleaner because plants use up carbon dioxide gas present in the air from producing their food using photosynthesis.
Plant use carbon dioxide present in air for making their food and use नहीं, observe यहाँ पर ज्यादा बढ़िया लिखेंगे हम। Observe carbon dioxide for making their food and give out oxygen while making their food. By this process, environment can be made clean. I hope you have understood it. Less than 1 minute is left. I hope all of you satisfied, सभी को समझ में आ गया होगा। ठीक है, by this we comes to end of this questions. Okay, and tomorrow we will discuss the value added questions. Tomorrow we will discuss
सर चैप्टर 10 का शेयर कर दें ग्रुप पे
बनाकर।
Okay, thank you.